everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically run a copyright check on CapCut PC. So you are just going to add in the video or the audio that you want to copyright check. It does just like only run a copyright check for audios. So if you add this video here, it will like check for the audio. So go to the audio part, go to copyright, and you're just going to basically select the check button. Okay, it only checks it if it's more than a minute. So let me just like try to find something that's over a minute. Let me see. I think I'm just gonna compile some videos so that it is over a minute, because it does not again check if it's less than a minute. So I'm just going to compile some videos here. I'm just gonna copy and paste this because there we go. And I'm also just going to select everything, right click, create compound clip, and then you're just going to go to audio and you're going to run a copyright check here. You can also run a copyright check once you are going to export audio. So here it says your video can be posted on TikTok. So select export here and you can run a copyright check again and then just press export. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.